Now it all started with a truck and a dream.
And now we make thousands from other people's junk.
And wait until you see what we found this week.
We own a junk removal company.
And people pay us to haul their junk away.
And the secret is, it's not always junk.
And just this week, we walked away with over $5,000 worth of hidden gems.
This business is like a treasure hunt every day. So if you want to see more, make sure you hit like and subscribe. So for this job, we brought our U-line carts and the box truck because there's so many donatable items. Now we're gonna go through this house and take our time because it's gonna have some great stuff.
Now let's take a look at this job. And if you can see, there's a whole bunch of good stuff here. We got some awesome furniture. And we got some alcohol over here that the hot tub can take home with him. We got a nice dining room table. And back here in this room, who knows what's in here? Now, when you're doing house clean outs, one thing you want to do is slow down and take your time, because sometimes the stuff that you find is worth more than the job. So take your time and search through everything. Now, if you've been in the trash business for a long time, you'll understand how excited you get when you find cool stuff. And check this out. This is a slot machine, and let's find out if it works. We're back at my house right now, so let's plug it in and see. I got some quarters right here, and I found vehicles in the trash business, money in the trash business, and look at that, JoJo, it works. This is going in the man cave. Oh, there we go, let's see. Check that out, JoJo. Even the dog's getting excited right now. So leave a comment down below. What's your best find you ever found in the trash business? Mine is actually a 1986 electric Fiero. But this thing right here is pretty cool, and I'm putting this in the man cave. Oh, hold up, JoJo. We're gonna take all the grandkids' money.
So another great find, we just found a gun and some samurai swords.
Been here for about 15 minutes in the Julio, already found me something cool. An extra large Dickies jacket, check that out.
It looks nice. It's a good
Hell
condition
yeah.
stuff, too.
Oh, it's nice.
Super nice.
Check out what the real baby maker found. Another gun. So leave a comment. Cowboy or Amish?
So check out this junk find right here. A jewelry box full of jewelry. We got some 925 and we got some gold, I guarantee, in here. So one thing you want to do is always look on top of dressers for jewelry boxes and drawers, because you never know what you're going to find. And even costume jewelry sometimes doesn't have 14K on it. Sometimes it's just a symbol. So keep your eyes open, and I'm going to go through this later on today. Check that out. There's so much jewelry here. So about 20 years ago, this would have been the find of the year. Check this out. Boom! The liquor cabinet. Back in the day when I was like 12 years old, I was watering down all my dad's liquor. Sorry, Pops. Is this a sin or no? Leave a comment down below.
It's a sin not to.
So check it out. This house is full of guns. Found another gun, little handgun, and it was loaded too. And it has a case right here. Holy shit. You gotta be careful at this house. So this granny was smoking, drinking, and packing guns. You all right, guys, or what?
Yeah.
One granny I wouldn't want to mess with.
So you guys won't believe what we found yesterday. We found some sterling silver. Shout out to my wife. She's the one that found it, not me though.
So I'm just wiping this down before we give it to the donation center. So we just got done donating a whole box truck full of great stuff. Now, if you want to make more money in the junk removal business, you've got to learn where to take things to lighten your load so you don't have to pay that dump fee.
Now here's the tip of the day for you guys out there. When it's your wife's anniversary or maybe her birthday or maybe Mother's Day, instead of getting her flowers, what you should do is get her a picture of flowers. Then you'll save more money that way. For more tips, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button.
So one thing I do when I'm doing a house clean out is when I come across keys, I will keep them. I'll put them in my pocket, make sure I don't lose them, because as you're cleaning out things, you may find safes or other tiny locks that you could open with this. And look what we found in the closet. It is a safe, and now I have the key and I can open it up and see what's inside.
So this key is not working, so I gotta bring this home and pop it open. But you gotta stay tuned to the next video to find out if there's any gold, any money, or nothing in this safe. And I'm guessing, is there anything in there? It doesn't sound like nothing, but you never know.
Now, here's my find of the day. Pain relief cream with hemp seed oil. And I can use that for my back after day after today.
Look who it is. This is the baby maker and the real baby maker. And Julio almost died today too. What happened?
The utility car hit me in the back when I was trying to help you guys put a piece on the truck.
I would have fell on the ground and been like, my back, my neck, my neck and my back, and got paid. So far we found 5 guns, 2 swords, some jewelry, and also a safe.
So this job is complete and it took us a day, but we are finished.
Now, just like that, the job is done, and it's crazy to think that in the trash business, you can make doctor level money. And also the resale game is crazy. Here's a few finds I found last week, some brand new Reeboxes. These are size 13, they won't fit me. A few jewelry boxes I still gotta go through that I found last week. I got some watches, some more jewelry boxes, a brand new pretty much mattress that's been used maybe a few times. The trash business is the business.
Now, if you want to keep watching us find cool stuff, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And if you haven't started your business yet, what are you waiting for? The most important thing is to get started. And we'll catch you on the next one.